Woo! Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and we're going to be talking about what the heck is going on. What the heck is going on? Are we screwed out there when it comes to cryptocurrency? Are we screwed out there when it comes to Dogecoin? And just generally, what the heck is going on out there? Because we are seeing right now that the total market cap for crypto has gone down, and things are kind of looking pretty nasty out there. We're seeing that right now Bitcoin is down below 17,000. We're seeing Ethereum is also down 1%, and that's around about $1,260. We're also seeing right now that that Dogecoin is also down, and there's a good chance that Dogecoin could collapse below 10 cents. So right now, Dogecoin is trading exactly at 10 cents 0.15. So that is not good, guys. And yesterday we had this high. Yesterday for Dogecoin, Dogecoin went as high as around about 11.19 cents. So what happened yesterday is we had this whole. This whole thing was circulating around Twitter coin with Jane Wong out there. And when that story broke, there was more confirmation out there that there was going to be a cryptocurrency, integration into Twitter for payment. And a lot of the Doge community was really excited about that. And they really thought that, this was going to be the beginning of the confirmation by Elon Musk out there of a cryptocurrency being added to Twitter. Then later, her accounts all got deleted. Her accounts got suspended on Facebook, on Reddit, on LinkedIn. She just disappeared. So that is what is causing most of the reason why Dogecoin is down right now. But we're also seeing not only that, but we're also seeing that the total crypto markets are down. We're seeing everything is in the red. It is bright red. The only thing that's really doing anything good out there is XRP and Solana out there. So that's what's going on with that. Overall, what are some of my outlooks for 2023? We're going to be talking about that as well. But guys, keep in mind, also, it looks like there's going to be a Fed investigation into Elon Musk's Neuralink company citing animal cruelty. So it looks like that, our friend Papa Biden out there, has basically going after Elon Musk right now. So that's kind of interesting. I mean, is this retaliation for the Twitter X files and the whole? You know what I mean? I don't want to talk about it because I'll get AI will clamp down. So that is what's going on news-wise. Nothing really big this week. But we have seen that it's been almost a month now, almost a month that cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, have just been going sideways. And we did have the Fed that said, look, they're going to be more dovish about interest rates. But overall, my sentiment right now for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin, right now, expect a little bit of a consolidation happening for the next couple of days. For 2023. We have to really, address the elephant in the room, and I think that 2023, it is going to be pretty much the same kind of thing that we're going to be seeing, as we saw in 2022. I think we're still going to have recession. I think that's a foregone conclusion that we're definitely going to be having recession out there. I think we're going to see some really high interest rates out there, and I think that this is going to be very much the same. But I believe that all the indicators are in that Bitcoin is definitely getting close to the bottom, or if it has not reached the bottom. Now, a fun fact, for Bitcoin, it took 6 months to get 1,000 users. And it took 5 years for Bitcoin to find 1 million users. And then 13.8 years later, which is right freaking now, we have over 300 million plus users. And that's 4% of the total world population. So keep that in your brain pan. And if we look at the current growth rates, and I did talk about that in my previous video, the current growth rates right now for Bitcoin, we could be expecting Bitcoin to hit 1 million users by in the next 3 years, guys. So that's the next 3 years. So that's 2026. So and that equals about 12% of the world. So that is why I am very bullish on the long-term outlook. That is why I'm very excited. I think 2023, we're going to see some chop. We're going to see some upsies. We're going to see some downsies. 2023 for Dogecoin, I mean, we could see that dollar, but that all depends on one factor, one single factor, and that is the building of utility for Dogecoin. And the biggest catalyst for utility out there that we're going to see probably in our lifetime right now is going to be Dogecoin being the official currency of Twitter. If that doesn't happen, then my prediction, my absolute prediction for a Dogecoin in 2023 is going to be, maximum 30 cents. That is what I predict if we do not get this big, huge catalyst. If we don't get the huge catalyst of Dogecoin being the official currency of Twitter. And why is that so important? Because right now Twitter has about 396 million active users on a daily basis, and the number of tweets that are happening are insane. I mean, I've heard numbers of up to 500 million to 800 million tweets a day are happening on the platform. So just imagine for a second, if you will, that 50% of all the users of 300, let's call it 400 million users, 200 million users, are now actively interacting with crypto, actively interacting with Dogecoin. This is going to bring more liquidity to the market, and this is going to bring up the price of crypto, guys. And it's going to definitely bring up the price of Dogecoin. So if we don't get any of that, then Dogecoin is going to be very much reliant on the price of Bitcoin. It's going to be very much reliant on where the markets are going to go, and it's going to have its periodically, hype cycles and down cycles. But overall, if I look at the structure of Dogecoin right now, it's still following my trend line. Yes, we are below our support level of 0.1034 right now, and a lot of that is this whole reaction to the Jane Wang situation and the Twitter coin. So from that perspective, we just really need to wait and see what's going to be happening with Elon Musk and Twitter. But this is really for the Doge community. One of the absolute biggest factors out there that we can see in our lifetime, and it's so important that it happens. It really needs to happen. It looks like also Mark Cuban was chiming in. Mark Cuban was chiming in as well, and what he was talking about. Some people were, saying that Dogecoin is inflationary. Yes, Dogecoin mints a ton of Bitcoin, Dogecoin every year, about 5 billion Bitcoins, if I'm not 5 billion Dogecoin in the brain. I'm fudging. But keep in mind that if you look at the inflation rate in the U.S. and the inflation rate of Dogecoin, the inflation rate for Dogecoin is it's around about 5.4% right now, but it will be going down. But Mark Cuban was saying, look, this inflationary aspect of Dogecoin is important, because if Dogecoin is going to be a cryptocurrency, a payment, a medium of payment out there, it's definitely going to be important that we have enough circulating supply to be able to handle all the transactions. So that is important. And sure, Dogecoin is inflationary, it does have an infinite supply, but the rate of supply versus the inflation rate is much less than U.S. economy. So I don't think it's that bad out there. So my prediction, like I said, $1 in 2023, or if we don't get Elon Musk's approval on Twitter, we could be seeing maximum 30% out there. So that 30 cents out there. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. So are they screwing us out there? Yes, we are being a little bit screwed by the inflation, by the rate hikes, and all the stuff that's going on, all the geopolitical stuff that's going on. So don't expect too much today. I think today is going to be pretty much a red day out there. Buckle up. I think we're going to get better by Wednesday. Typically Wednesdays in the crypto market is often reversal day. So hopefully we'll see a nice reversal on Wednesday, guys and gals. So that's what I'm thinking. And be absolutely confident confident out there that in 2025 we're going to get a huge pump, guys, as we get closer to the halving. I mean, all the data is indicating that, and you know, keep in mind that you know, all this noise that you're hearing, all this FUD that you're hearing, crypto does the same darn tootin' thing time and time again. It goes up, it goes down, it meanders, it slowly recovers, and then explodes as we pass the halving. And that's what happens every single time. And you know, the next halving is going to be insane, guys. It's going to make, you know, 2021 look like a kindergarten, and you know, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be absolutely crazy. I guarantee it. But you just got to be able to hold on, wait, and have the fortitude and have the moxie to do that. That's all you got to do, is just be patient. So remember, this ain't financial advice, guys. And also too, if you don't have a hardware wallet, you don't own your crypto, and you could lose it. Bottom line, you could lose the crypto. We're seeing more exchanges collapsing. Go down, check out the link, get yourself a Nano Ledger wallet, guys. So guys, be blessed, be well. Merry Christmas out there, guys. Don't panic. I know a lot of you are like panicking, and every time the crypto market drops, you guys like wet the bed and like think it's over. You know, no, it's not over. We're going through a bad patch. And it's just, if you really zoom out, we're just going sideways. So it's really not that bad. And basically, they screwed us, and the economy will get back. Inflation will dissipate. Interest rates will come back to normal, and things will be fine. Things will be fine, Danny, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Be blessed. Be well. That's all I got. Peace out.